Obia ebejine there because Agradaa say.
I say, I will deal with you people. Those who deserve blessings, I will do them. Those who deserve curses, me did the Agradaa.
One day deserving shirano ebeji, one day deserving a nominal sono ebeji. Ebusia, what domi will be or cassetia, Sammy Gyamfi, $1 or the mano, Ebusia, any Obia Agenede, radio presenters, ministers, government appointees, wow, Shemi, I can be young bloggers, Obia, Ebusia, young target Ernest Owusu Bempa, Agradaa Akane, and Simbi, Samba and Waka. Make you media ama na bibia no atimi ai kama aha AJ gossips midin AJ feel free so be kire wadwen afa video no hono wi abomodin so be share ama onua bi nsa atimi aka time eba make sure bibidu a mekamfo ama se eno na ebeboa edi wakaginamu etu malaria no ase na wanumu da ho no na unya hoden atimi akoye wadwuma enti Agradaa ese papa wo hoyi anya hwea bone enye hwe enti mo kasetia no se Sammy Gyamfi ache ni sika bia no saa no mi nyina no eye mo dia
na wo a ubie wa no si ache mi sika enti Sammy Gyamfi adwuma emo no wa ubie wa no si ache mi sika enti yenkosi mabo wa ubie wa no si ache mi sika ti enya me bone no me come altar so a me do me se sika betena wonsam wunya bida say better wade wunya bida. Now I will curse you from your first generation to your sixth generation. And no in your phone. So when I go to my altar, I am going to deal with all those people. Say achamade. Now also I will be one no can be. So wunim now will be one city at the chow. Now je me samano ma honhom ensuo ehoma abofo tuntum abofo fita wono mo wo wiem esoro efom da bibiara me samano wo ema wo se opani bi ana wo bi eyi ni one city at the chow eyi ni one city at the chow ba enumie owonne ewo wiase emra so. And when I went to my altar, I will deal with you. Ya chawade amen you. Wa wo bie wa no ka bone fa papa na ye me no. Ya chawade refuse it. Anytime e be chawade a wo beji biara, wo genum ya go fie, wo jire ama homa, wo ji ama wo nanan kanso anom to your sixth generation. Wo pani bia so a wo ka bi. Ada wo be yisika e de ache obi. A wo wa ban wo ye politician wo be yisika e de ache obi. What they told wheelchair, adache, or paralyze ya, you do better than I'm telling you the facts. Wow, be a one, say honorable Sammy Gyamfi, ache mimiska. It's in a juma and mono. Young crucify no. Who said it, Bano? Ada ube yisika, and the acha wompana, ube yisika, and the acha wadanfo, ube yisika, and the acha wobi. Wunya yisika no, mami din Agradaa, emre wanumu first. Wo towo yare yempa. Wo towo wheelchair. Spiritually, would you chiawo yare yempa? Spiritually, would you chiawo wheelchair? Spiritually, would you tofu daka? Me yanyame boni you. Yanyame boni. So also obi ache obi ska. So you criticize. And che obi bida. Obi bisa ska mema no. When you do that, wano bet si ansa no wewu wo fa bejojo ansa no wewu ya bebo pampers ansa no wewu mi din e de Agradaa mi din e de Agradaa
enti ono de enye no me nko a ene wona num ai se obi a de panso a osenhira enti mo so a mo boaye na mo kan sempa no mo so munhira ene yentage Ernest Owusu Bempa wadi ne hu komo bi.
When I strike so many things, you can get it. Don't joke with me. I am not a bad person. I am a very good woman, and God knows my heart. But ayane nyame pese or mama town for pressure. So every day go do good things to my life to surprise my enemies. Na atiwa makuma ejirem. That is me. Ubia wotsna se e kan se ya chemisika. Enti Sammy Gyamfi adwuma emono no. Memo obi nche usika da. Ubia so awo. Uye penny a utimi yi sika di ma obi. A ubie wano ka bi no. Enyi sika ma obi da. Se me din di agrada. E me ka kira wo. Nyame nhyira President John Mahama. Ama ni nyinche ahodin wo. He has win. Yes, kai wo Canada no. Ododa dana na me won edema jam no. Akwasi ampani bi di antwenyama ebe wini ma adwen no. Ma adwen abafie and I will love him and love him forever. Everything that I've done, you should forgive me. Sa chopano and I'm the ma honorable Sammy Gyamfi. Sa chopano Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempa de the man so. Nanka MPP fobi. Mi anga Sammy Gyamfi and Owusu Bempa nyame hira wate. Wa mama un si MPP ye wanyansafo and ye wo Mmoa. And Owusu Bempa, God bless you so much. Papa, me non kasada. Mi shia uda. But the way you talk with zeal, the way you talk with zeal, the way you talk with passion, sika mpawfie da. Na me kachiro. Sika ebi mpawfie da. Mofoza de na si ene sika ke. A spiritual thing. Nyame di be peja on my Ghana. Nyame ebema dollar. Se na me agrada so. Ama ye honorable Sammy Gyamfi. Dollar nipa naniti eda dollar so. Ye free so. E the honorable Sammy Gyamfi ti at dollar so. That tells you say we have a great future in this country. And Sammy Gyamfi is a great man. And he will be a president in this country before he leave this world. Dollar. Etrene da so no. Yetimi ye fi so bola no so. E de honorable Sammy Gyamfi eti atiso. Na mo vo se sade na mo ye no mo de Sammy Gyamfi. Honorable, wunya sa picture na twa na fato ho ate. E spiritual thing. Nyame be ya ukese. Uye kese dada. You are blessed from your mother's womb. Abrana me politics krano. Ana uswampuno. We know some big things that you have done. Say ayi America broni eti eta dollar so yeyi edi Sammy Gyamfi atiso. He will control this Ghana. A spiritual son. A spiritual sign.
Inshiranie enumi ye mu ni awpe ni ababraba ya obia na sewa abusia wadome washira enti ye he de ebeye adwuma ose okone altar ne so a eish amanfo awu ene enumi don komi aden na enumi ne do so chen inshira because inshira ne de no okane kituwa bi enu 1 minute but enumi ne wakane bebrebe. Ebusia de Owusu Bempa eye ya nti Agradaa aboni didi na twampo se MPP fo ni nyina no onim se omu nyina no enye yi but Owusu Bempa a kire se ye wonyansani ewo NPP mu nyame na meka Agradaa eneka de Owusu Bempa eye ye enyina ene se ono ene defend Sammy Gyamfi ema me betena haka kire o se mekwa na me nwanwa because way back oni Sammy Gyamfi enya clash ewo UTV but asemi ba ye no ono na ebe kire se MPP for sunka because onim MPP mpanyufo no mu bia omutimi to $50,000 e de bomma eto.
Say me ba Sammy Gyamfi, we are looking at him with an eagle eye. Mumie nyina yenye careful na asema me kan muntie ni. He went on a private mission.
Exactly.
He went out there. Maybe nim kwaso ni Gyamfi-Agradaa no da.
Also nim no da. First time on motion.
wayi sika afiri ne kaa mu no wakan na ode ama no ye musa ye ho Jesus Christ ebra man no koye yi no omo fa ba so omo koto abodo no wose mo hwan na onye bone da onto bo mo ba no people ebinu ye nyimkofo mo ye party mo tam $50,000 to bomb behind the scenes. Stop talking about it. Stop talking about it. My brother, we will not support this. My friend, I didn't. He who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Me, I will say it, and I don't care who owns his dog. Way is dead on arrival. Sammy Gyamfi is dead on arrival. It's dead on arrival. Nobody has the moral right to attack that young man. Me, first person, I'm Sammy Gyamfi got on UTV. I hate a brand to me. No, and exchanges grammar, blows. I'm telling you, that gentleman will be any way to me attacking on this particular matter. I'm telling you, public official, what evidence is so real cigar.
Yeah, I can't. Yes, my part will make one of my frog catch or say, I send you castle and can be beam. Now, who's that? They are also been pound quoting our boy. Oh, now also been pound quoting our boy. I wish that not me age. Yes, there be ye now phone kwa me ye frog case castle. Meaning name no went me and shrame. And I'm using in Shano and Kobe yet me forget it. I was not feeling free. Now, extra watching our comment section. Oh, yeah. I want to say, Obeshare, I'm on your visa, and to me, Aka, Gyamfi-Agradaa say, Papa, I know you are bonny and your way. Ti wa domen a tamfo and a weshira wana. Asem tone on Omukan be at the man. I was a Ebaya Juma and a Enya Juma. Feel free. Comment section of Ayodia. Midin Eddie AJ. Magraheb.